Hey everybody, Jennifer from Tarle Speech with your 2 for Tuesday homophone lesson. Homophones are words that are pronounced exactly the same way. They just have different spellings and different meanings. So let's learn 2 words that are pronounced the same. Walk, which is to move on foot, and wok, which is a type of a cooking pan. We are going to pronounce these exactly the same way with the W. Ooh, pucker your lips. Then move to an open O, ah, wah, wah. And then keep your mouth open and end with that K. Let the air puff out as the tip of your tongue is low and the back of your tongue is pulled high up. Walk, 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 walk. Yes, there are variations to the word walk, but for our purposes today, we are going to pronounce them the same way, and most people will understand you when you say it. So for our purposes today, we are just going to say them the same, walk. And now for a sentence. After a long walk, when she returned home, she made vegetables in her wok. Give it a try. I know people are going to notice the difference. Thank you for being here every week. I love being able to present you these free lessons, and to keep them free, please tell all of your friends so I can post more free content for all of you. If you do need help, I have practice guides available, and you can check all of those out at tarlespeech.com. Thanks so much, everyone. Have an amazing day.